Meaning of formality.
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 Formality. Formality refers to the prescribed form, manner, or procedure in a particular situation that is required or expected to be followed. It often relates to things like dress code, language usage, and behavior. People may behave formally in certain settings, such as professional or official situations, to show respect and convey a sense of seriousness. In contrast, informal situations allow for more relaxed and casual behavior. While formality can be a valuable tool for establishing order and demonstrating respect, it can also limit creativity and spontaneity in some situations.